In order to reset the service light, you need to do the following. First of all, let me show you. Whatever you need to reset will show up in your infotainment, info sources, and service. So as you can see in the status, I have to reset engine oil and brake fluid. So whatever needs to be reset will show up as a red light in the center right here. Let's reset those lights. First, put the key into the ignition, like so. Then press the engine start stop button without holding your brakes, so the car does not start. So you see this service warning popped up. Next, press and hold this button until a menu pops up in the middle there. So I'm holding it right now. As you can see, the menu popped up. You can cycle through whatever you need to reset by pressing this. I need to reset engine oil and brake fluid. So as you can see, both of them are in red. So let's reset this first. Once you want to reset this, just press and hold. It will pop up, say reset, then press again, and it should reset. So there you go. This one reset. Next, oil, engine oil. Press and hold. Reset, press and hold again, and it reset. So all of this should go into yellow now. So that's how you reset your warnings. Let me see if they are still here. So as you can see, they have been reset here as well. So that's how you do it. After that, you can just turn your car off, take the key out, and that's it.